Hello everybody, Caleb here with Reich. Welcome to the origins of Cranston. This is a well-managed, pet-friendly complex that's only 4 years old. It sits in between 3 schools. You can actually walk to all 3 of them. What's really unique is it has this little playground area for the kids right in the courtyard. The unit's right over here. Let's go take a look. Welcome to Unit 110. First thing I notice here, the high ceilings, there's lots of natural light. We have our newer kitchen. Because we're only 4 years old, everything's in great condition and relatively new. Kitchen was upgraded. You see the quartz countertops and the stainless steel appliances, white subway tile backsplash. Dining area could easily fit a table for 6, as well as some bar stools. Now this is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. So this is the bedroom. High ceilings again in here and good size. We have a walk-through closet. Bathroom is fairly new as well. They've kept the quartz countertops in here. We have in-suite laundry. I love this luxury vinyl plank floors. It's great for kids and pets. You can't scratch it. You can spill on it. It's not going to matter. Now heading out to the balcony, which is a pretty good size. You can fit a barbecue, table and chairs. And I think the best part is that you literally have no neighbors over here. This is the parking lot and the green space for the church, so it's very quiet. There's rarely anybody in there. So this unit is priced at $189,900. It's an awesome price. It's perfect for a first-time buyer or an investor. That also includes 6 months of condo fees. So if you guys have any questions or you'd like to take a look, you know where to find me. Thanks for watching.